Me and my mom are the pop-up queens. So if you're new to my page, you wouldn't know this, but me and my mom do pop-ups every week for our business, Boudoir Boutique. It's actually an online business, but when we do pop-ups every week, it's a perfect way for us to get sales, meet new people, and get content for YouTube and TikTok. So I want to give you our essentials for Amazon. Literally everything that we have, I'm going to give you listed for you guys can know what to get. This is perfect for anyone who is trying to start off doing pop-ups or who is interested in all that good stuff. So yeah, let's just jump straight into this video. So the first important thing is a tent. Now, if you do big events like the Jazz Fest, they're gonna require you to have an all-white 10 by 10 tent. But if you do other pop-ups, like, you know, not so big ones and all that, they don't care what color your tent is, but it has to be a 10 by 10. I think that's like the guidelines, 10 by 10. Literally everyone says it's a 10 by 10 space. The tent that we have is from Home Depot. I'm gonna have a similar one in the description box from Amazon if you guys want to check it out. This tent is very durable. It's easy for me to set up. If I would do it by myself, it's easy for me to set up, and that's the main thing. You want a tent that's gonna be easy to set up, because the ones that you need multiple people or it's hard to push the little button, I don't know the name of it, those are not it. We had those, and mind you, these tents are easy to break as well, so use your best judgment, I guess. And the tent that we do have, this is our third one this year. Yeah, it's bad, and it's kind of our fault too, because at the end of some pop-ups we get so tired and we just throw it in the car, and then I think that's probably how it breaks. I'm not sure, but put that in the back of your mind too when you're doing pop-ups, to be careful with your equipment. Now we're talking about tents, let's talk about tent weights. This one is disrespectful, and it will blow your tent, and your tent may break. A few people, I remember a few people, it happened to them if they don't have a tent weight to hold it down. This is the one that I have. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can check it out. If you don't want to purchase these weights, you can also use like dumbbells. I saw people dumbbells and just tying it to their tent. You'll thank me later. Next one are tables. I suggest you get the foldable tables, the ones that folds into two, if that makes sense. The ones that we have, I feel like they're very easy to store. It's very easy to carry. It's not that heavy, and it's also easy to assemble. When you're doing pop-ups, you want stuff that's easy to assemble, make your life easier. And the tablecloth, please do not use those Party City tablecloths, the paper one. Please don't use that. Please don't. Use the ones that I don't know the name of it. I'm gonna insert it here, or it's gonna, like I said, everything will be in the description box. But this one, it doesn't blow in the wind. It looks very professional, and I like it. They have different colors and all that. I like black because it goes with our aesthetic. Also get foldable chairs. Selling clothes, you need a clothing rack, but also I don't recommend the ones where you need to use a screwdriver to set it up there, or the ones without wheels. I suggest that you get a clothing rack that's easy to set up. Like I said, I want everything to be easy, and get the one with wheels. Okay, so we talk about the essentials for your pop-up. Let's talk about when a customer makes a purchase. So first, you would need a card reader. It's not mandatory, because you can also accept any other form of payment, as in for Zelle, Cash App, and all that, PayPal, all that nice stuff. But it's always nice to have a card reader. The final thing is bags. So once the customer makes a purchase, you want to put their items in a bag. If you have a plastic bag, I guess that's fine, especially if you're still new. You know, that's fine. Amazon has some cute little bags that I have. I have two different sizes. I have a small one for someone who purchases jewelry, and I have a bigger one for to buy dresses and all that good stuff. So that is it on my suggestions on what you may need for your pop-up shop. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe. I have been so consistent on YouTube. I've been posting every day for the past couple of weeks, and I'm so proud of myself, because that's a lot. Usually I just post like once a week, but I have tunnel vision and I have a goal I want to meet. So yeah, that is it. See you guys in my next video. Okay, good morning guys. So we're here. This is my little, can you guys see? I'm gonna insert a picture of our map. So this is the parking lot where we're gonna be at. We got here early. We're waiting for the other vendors to come. First we're supposed to be here at 9:30. She's not here, and so yeah, we're just waiting. And so basically some of these businesses would not let us be in front of their store, so we're gonna have only the vendors lined up on one side and then the 4 right here. But yeah, what you think, Mom? Yeah, I know they mad. All right. People are so but I'm just saying, like, if you're a real business person, and you know what, I'm not gonna say it because, like I said, people watch my videos. I used to watch my mouth. I've been in trouble before.
I think they follow us.
I think so too. They follow me or my mom, and my mom posts my videos too sometimes, so you can watch my mouth. But anyway, no vendors are here. I'm gonna stand in the shade. I need to go to the store. The store is all the way at the corner. Okay, so we're still waiting for the vendors. I'm sitting in the shade because it's hot. I'm debating whether I should run to the store. It's a store right there at the corner because we need some ice. But it's kind of, I don't know. And I don't want to drive. I don't want to lose my parking spot. The chair, yeah.
Right,
so
and then we're gonna do.
You don't have a lot of vendors in here? No.
No.
How many? Alright, our first vendor is here. I'm so excited. So the first vendor will be right here on the first one. And this is actually a detailed business, like, and they come to you, like, I need their business card. Alright, so everything's working out now. Everything's working out. My mess up made everything work out. We're making things happen. Okay, so I'm walking to the, hi. Okay, okay. So I'm walking to the store. I'm sorry, messed up my whole video. So anyway, so I'm walking to the store. Okay, there we go. Making sure I right spot. Okay, anyway, so I'm walking to the store right now. My mom and our other business partner is there. She's going to direct people, but I really need something to drink. I'm really thirsty, and yeah, some snacks. Ooh. I don't have 5.
Okay,
you sure?
Don't worry. That's fine.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. This store don't have nothing here. I'm surprised. So walking back to the spot. This guy about to hit me. Yeah, we're in the hood too, guys. We're in the hood. Okay, so I'm walking back. I'm thinking, like, being in charge of a marketplace, because this is me, my mom's, and our other business partners spot now, right? Being like creating it is difficult, as in it's, well, yeah, it is different. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's stressful at times. Try to make sure everything is organized, and yeah, it's a lot, but we're gonna make it work. I hope today's gonna be an amazing day. We've been promoting like crazy. Hopefully today's gonna be a good day. But if you guys hear the backstory that we've been going through doing these pop-ups, that's all. I need my own reality show. I swear I do. Alright, we're here. We're back. Alright. Everything's working out.
I don't want them sitting on that pillow.
Alright, be right. I need to get the tripod. I'll be right back. Okay. You need this tent up because it's hot.
I'm gonna unload this stuff. I'll put this. We'll get the next batch.
Alright, the light, no lighting, but we're in here. All the vendors, well, majority of the vendors are here. Mimi making drinks already. Hey!
Oh.
There go. Oh, Ma.
Okay, I need to get that.
So everybody is still setting up. This is the life of an entrepreneur, guys. I love bosses, hustlers. What'd you say you had to get? And she forgot this cooler in the car, so yeah. Oh, I'm sweaty. This is hard. I'm about to get on live though. Right now, I cannot. It's the copy for the store. Behind the scenes. It's cute. So we're missing a vendor right here and a vendor right here. It's so hot. It's so hot.
Alright, just make sure everybody's in their spots. These cars moved. Uh-oh, these blue cars that are like crazy.
We're in, that's a vendor. Alright, we got our coolers, we got water because it's gonna be, it's so hot right now. We're just waiting for our ice. We have somebody go pick up some ice, and please don't judge me. I got a rival coming. I still haven't set up my side. My side is 12:30. No. Alright, mama's setting up. Bourgeois.